Welcome to Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
Of course we are.
Tonight, we're going to make the Sazerac cocktail.
Sazerac. We've had lots of requests for your recipe for Sazerac.
Yes. And mine is a little different. Traditionally, well, I guess going way back, the Sazerac cocktail was made in New Orleans. And there was a person there, I think his name was Peychaud, that made these bitters that came up with the cocktail.
Peychaud.
Yeah, Peychaud. And it was made with typically brandy or cognac. This is way back. I mean, we're talking way back. And then if anybody
years?
like probably
Early
in the early 1830s maybe, something like that.
Way back.
But then as later on,
1830s?
yeah, I think
Did
it
they
was
make
almost-
cocktails back then?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not new at we're not new at this. Then if anybody knows anything about wine and grapes, the phylloxera came in and wiped out all the grapes. Parasite that got into the roots and killed the grapes. Mm-hmm. So they couldn't get the cognac or the brandy anymore.
Because those are made with grapes.
Yes, that's made with grapes.
Mm-hmm.
So they switched to rye whiskey. So it was pretty much then, after that, was a rye whiskey-based cocktail.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at you all historical and shit.
Now, there's several people that will do a 50-50. They'll do half rye, half cognac. They'll do the original all cognac because it's all obviously available again. And we're going to do all rye. I like the spice of rye whiskey, so that's what we're going to go with.
And that's your recipe.
It is.
Okay. Excellent.
So, we're going to use Sazerac rye. Imagine that.
Wow, that seems appropriate.
100 proof rye.
Okay.
And we're going to do 2 ounces rye whiskey.
Okay. That seems like 3. Was that right?
No, there's 2.
Okay.
I'd have to pour it again if I had to get to 3.
Okay.
Although I do that once in a while. So it's not quite so sweet, you know.
Okay. All right.
No.
No judgment. It's just
My version, the traditional version is Peychaud bitters, and a fair amount of Peychaud bitters. I'm going to use 4 dashes of Peychaud bitters for 2 ounces.
that does seem like a lot.
It is.
Okay.
But it's a more fruity bitters. It's not super bitter. And some people will use 3 or 2 and maybe throw 1 dash of Angostura bitters in. But
Licorice.
yeah,
Smells like black licorice.
a little bit.
Like Mike and Ike's.
Yeah. Yeah. Kind of yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Candied.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Typical recipe calls for Peychaud bitters and simple syrup. Some people put Angostura bitters in, it gives it a little bit more spice. I am going to stick with the Peychaud bitters and do, instead of simple syrup, I'm going to use cinnamon syrup. But I don't use a lot. Where normally it would call for maybe a 1/4 ounce, I'm going to use 1 bar spoon, which is like a 1/6 of an ounce of.
So how did you make the cinnamon simple syrup?
So the cinnamon simple syrup, this is a...
Is it rich?
It's semi-rich, 1.5 to 1. So
Okay.
I used 1.5
parts of
sugar to 1 part
part.
of water.
Uh-huh.
And then I took 1 kind of large cinnamon stick.
Like a 3 or 4 inch piece of
Yes,
cinnamon
kind of
bark.
split it in half and put it in and let it steep in there. And actually, when I poured them in, I threw it right in the jar, so
Oh.
it's still
Yeah,
in
I
there.
can see it in there.
Still in there.
Does it get stronger and stronger and stronger then?
It doesn't seem to, because
Okay.
I think it steeped pretty much what it had out.
That's
before.
a good way to know that, oh, hey, this
Yeah.
one is cinnamon.
Because I have Demerara syrup, which looks exactly like
brown,
this.
too.
It's brown also. So, but I do have them labeled. But yeah, that's the easy way.
All right.
The other thing that I add that a lot of people don't is a little bit of the salt life. which is my salt
A
solution.
little piece of Florida back
Yeah.
here in Iowa.
And I just do 2 drops. I do a drop of salt solution for each ounce of whiskey that I put in. So,
And that is
drops.
just kind of to balance out the sweetness.
yeah,
Right.
it's like when you make baked goods that are sweet. If you don't put the salt in, it's cloyingly sweet, and
Yeah.
the salt
It
helps.
just is missing something. When you
Yep.
put the salt in, it just really makes it pop, so to
Yes.
speak.
The other thing that I add into mine, because I love these Amarena cherries, is 1 bar spoon of cherry juice.
Okay. Look at you with all your bar spoons there.
I know. There's 4 more where that came from. Okay.
You can never have too many, apparently.
That's pretty much
Like
the
bracelets.
ingredients. The only other thing that makes a Sazerac difference is absinthe. So most recipes call to rinse the glass with absinthe. So you can take like a 1/4 ounce, pour it in the glass, stir it around, dump it out. I prefer a spray bottle. You can buy these little 4-ounce spray bottles
Amazon.
on Amazon for 4 of them for $5, something like that.
Okay. And absinthe is made with wormwood, right?
Correct.
So it's a little bit dangerous, so
No.
to speak. It was banned for
It was
a while.
banned, but it wasn't because of the wormwood. It was because the people who were drinking them were drinking a whole bottle. That's yeah. So
Somebody's got to ruin it
so
for the rest of
absinthe
us.
is back. There's a product that they use a lot in New Orleans when absinthe was banned called herb something.
We'll get back to you on that.
It's not herbsinthe, but it's anyway, and it is still available.
That took the place of absinthe while it was banned?
Supposedly, it tastes very much like absinthe, but doesn't have the wormwood in it.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to do this in a glass with.
Like a chilled glass.
Yes, I don't want these. Keep it there.
Okay.
And I'm just going to spray the whole entire glass with absinthe. Do about 8 or 9 sprays. Make
Wow.
sure we got it good.
Got a little on me.
It's got that nice black licorice. Sort of, yeah.
So that's going to complement the bitters.
And then I'm going to throw a big cube in this when I set it back in here. Actually, we just pull this out.
Yeah.
Ready. We'll set it out.
Okay. So nice big cube on that spritzed.
A round cube in a square glass. Or a square cube in a round glass.
Makes it pretty. All right.
Stir this. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Stirring, stirring. Until it's cold. The Peychaud makes it kind of a red color, orangish red color.
It is pretty. It's kind of peachy colored almost.
And then we're going to
A
do
lemon.
a lemon peel.
Is that traditional?
Yes.
Okay.
Lemon peel is traditional. Express the oils. And
Okay.
that. Like it all on the rim. Get in. And 1 or 2 Amarena.
Oh, look at that. 2 of them
cocktail
came out.
cherries.
Pretty.
That is.
Let's see the cherries and the. Very
That's
nice.
a Sazerac. Give it a taste.
You can't really taste the licorice, but you know something's there.
Right. It's almost a menthol-ish with the lemon. It kind of.
There's no cherry juice in there, right?
There is.
There is cherry juice in there?
I put 1 bar spoon of that, 1 bar spoon of cherry juice.
Okay. I missed that. Should have another drink. It's I can taste that.
Can taste the cherry juice. Yeah, that's not traditional at all. I just do that. I like the taste of it. If you had just simple syrup and you didn't want the cherry juice, I would put in 2 bar spoons of simple syrup and a dash of the Angostura bitters. That
Okay.
gives it a little bit of a spicier flavor.
What's Angostura taste like versus the Peychaud?
Much more cinnamony, spicy than
Okay.
Peychaud.
The finish of that now, I get medicinal.
Yeah.
Oh, this smells like Worcestershire sauce to me. It does.
You always come up with savory.
I do. You
I get cinnamon and clove.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, clove maybe. Oh, now I got it on my nose. Awesome.
That'll stay there.
Yeah, I get Worcestershire. Totally.
I can see where you get that a little bit, but it's really clovey and.
Okay. All right. Yeah, this is has a little bit more of the medicinal back end to me, but
That might be the cherry juice.
I don't know. It's delicious. It's just.
I love a Sazerac.
Yeah. Okay, what do you love about it?
I like the combination of the licorice, the whatever it is, the wormwood, whatever the flavor is that's in the absinthe, and the lemon and the rye whiskey together.
All blends.
All blend, yeah.
And that'll get, well, on a big ice cube like that, that will not melt very quickly. So it's not going to dilute, really.
It'll dilute a little bit.
Just very little.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Well, cheers. You should, yeah. Cheers, friends.